Oh.
You can pay by. I can use the Ringo app. Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can do Ringo app, or you can just pay by coins. Wait a moment.
กี่บาทอ่ะ
You get 22 minutes
22 minutes
per pound. No, 20 minutes per pound. I think so.
20 minutes
So yeah, look, you can see it's adding up the time. I think.
อ๋อ
It has to be
ไหนอย่าเพิ่งกดนะดูสิอันนี้จ่ายไปเท่าไหร่
£6.
6 pound that 13 minutes
That's 2 hours.
13 minutes เป็น 2 hours ยังไง
No. It's £3 for 1 hour. Like 1 hour is £3. 2 hours £6. So I put in £6. Got the ticket, printed that.
and what is that number time
That's the time now.
Okay.
And when you put it in, it tells you what time you're finishing.
Oh, okay 12
Yeah. So then it was like, but it's like 13 now because we've got 2 hours.
okay and then you have to walk to the car that's just a waste of time
Well, yeah. The other.